In this video, we're going to give you an all things nutrition review of the Mediterranean diet, a diet which has been backed by research and is easy to follow for life. Stay tuned to find out the what, why and how of this diet. What is the Mediterranean diet? Okay, so it's got the word diet after it. So you're probably thinking with the Mediterranean diet, you have to cut out carbs, fat, or a certain food is the enemy. Perhaps you're thinking you're going to have to spend your time focusing on what foods to avoid instead of what to eat. Well, I'm here to tell you that the Mediterranean diet is not some fad diet that's restrictive and not sustainable. It's about focusing on what should be on your plate regularly. It's about enjoying food. Research has shown the Mediterranean diet is one of the best ways of eating.